Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kileni and welcome back to another YouTube video. For today's video, I will be creating a makeup eye look specifically, with the new Sigma Beauty Cor De Rosa palette. I am so excited because this palette is just the perfect like spring palette. It's just so gorgeous and I'm obsessed with it. I actually got to partner up with them on Instagram to create a look. This one right here, so stunning. I was so obsessed with it. I actually recorded it for my YouTube channel, but some of the footage got corrupted. The audio was a mess. So here I am again, trying to create a look with the palette to put it on my YouTube channel because I really wanted to do like a look with this palette on YouTube. So yeah, I'm really excited. This palette actually just launched like 2 days ago on the 14th, I believe. So yeah, I'm really excited. So here I am. Make sure that you guys come to my Instagram so you guys can see that beautiful rosy petally look that I did. My name is Kileni K on Instagram, same here as my YouTube channel. The link is always on the description down below so you guys can find me easy. But yeah, let's get started with the video. As you guys can see, I already have my face like pretty done. So I am going to take a little bit of like loose powder and apply it on my under eye just for any fallout, just in case there is any fallout, you know what I mean? I was so upset, you guys, when I saw that my file was corrupted for that video because I was so excited because the look came out so beautiful. I mean, not to shoe on my own horn, but I just really killed that look. So I really wanted it on my YouTube channel, but it's okay. We're gonna create a beautiful look today too, so it's all good. All right, so moving on to the beauty. It is the Sigma Beauty Cor De Rosa palette. I mean, look at this packaging. It's like peachy realness with a little bit of like gold for the flowers, like the flower design. It's just so beautiful. This palette comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 eyeshadows, and the colors are in the back with the names, which is actually really amazing. I actually like that a lot. But yeah, you open up the palette and these are the shades inside. I mean, this palette is just so beautiful. As you guys can see, I was already obviously playing with it, but it's just so beautiful. Obsessed, I tell you, with it. It's just like the perfect spring palette, like I said before. But I don't know what I'm doing today, but let's think of something. Let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Apricot right here, and this shade is honestly one of my favorite. It's just so beautiful, such a like a peachy realness moment. I love it. And I already have like my eyebrows cleaned with concealer, so I'm not gonna like apply anything else. I'm just gonna go ahead with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. I'm telling you, just this shade alone, a little liner moment, and I can see myself calling it like a simple makeup look. This shade is just so beautiful. I love it. Now I'm gonna take the shade Medallion right here, this brown shade. I actually did not use this shade for my previous look, so it's good. I'm trying out the shades that I didn't try before. And I am going to apply it on the crease, maybe a little bit higher. And I'm using the Morphe M506 brush. So a little detailing blending brush, just really nice. I love this brush. I actually have maybe like 2 or 3 of this brush. Oh, this shade is really beautiful. So I'm gonna take my one and only P.LOUISE base in the shade number 5, and I am going to just cut my crease. Taking the Morphe brush, this is M421. I'm going to apply it a little bit on the brush and just cut my crease. I'm gonna take the shade Veranda right here, which is like a nude shade, and apply it on top of that cut crease that we just cut. I am using the brush from Coastal Scents. This is in the, I don't know what number it is. It just says BRCN12. That might be the style number. Taking the shade Sunsprite right over here with a little detailing brush. This is also from Coastal Scents. This is BRCN11. Look how tiny that is. No, maybe? It's just super tiny. Anyways, I'm going to take that color, and I am going to put it on the inner corners of my eye, like so. Let me show you. Looking so good. So I am actually gonna take the shade Summer Song right here, and I am going to apply it on my outer crease. This is looking so good. Okay. Okay, you guys, and I am back, and I actually went ahead and I put on some lashes and did a wing liner. This actually, it's not, okay. So this wing, I created it with the same eyeshadow palette. So what I did is, I'm gonna show you guys, I scraped a little bit of this shade right here, Bare Root. As you guys can see, like I scraped it. I used my little spatula thing that I have right here. I scraped a little bit, sorry it's dirty because I was playing with other colors, but I scraped a little bit and I put it right here. And then I took my Anastasia and Beverly Hills glitter adhesive, and I maybe like 2 drops. I used like maybe 2 drops, 3 drops, and mixed it together and created that wing liner. That's it. And I used this brush from Morphe, the M250-S. Look how tiny it is, and I created my wing. And that's what I'm gonna do on the other eye now. Create that wing. It does dry super fast, so you have to work pretty quickly, just FYI. Right, so I am pretty much done with this eye over here. I just need to finish up this one. It is burning up in my room. I don't know if you guys can see how shiny I am. Like, I am so hot right now. So I'm trying to like move quickly because I'm literally like so hot right now. I'm gonna take this Morphe B41 brush and the shade Summer Song right over here. And I am going to apply it on my lower lash, super close to the waterline. I really hope that you guys don't hear my fan, but I had to turn it on, you guys, because I am literally like, I'm about to melt over here. Now I am using this little Coastal Scents brush. I don't even know what shade that is, but it's like a little detailing flat brush. And I'm going to mix Hybrid with Verona. No, wait, sorry. Apricot with Hybrid. I'm gonna mix them up a little bit and pretty much just blend it on my lower lash. I'm gonna take this roller pen from Benefit Cosmetics. It is in the shade, it's to pretty much brighten your eye. It's like that waterline color that I have here. It's like a cream off-white shade. I love it. It is super pigmented as well, and it works really, really nice. So I'm going to apply it on my waterline. All right, so we are almost done, you guys. This collection comes as well with 3 glosses and a lipstick. This is in the shade Cor De Rosa, as the lip gloss as well, that's what it's called. This is Lilac Wine, and this is Secret Garden. They are amazing. I have already used the liquid lipstick and the Cor De Rosa gloss for my Instagram look that I did, and obsessed. Those lips came out so glossy and so good. And this is a beautiful nude shade with like a brown lip liner. Perfection. Perfección. So for the lips, I'm gonna use the NYX Cosmetics lip liner in the shade brown. And then for gloss, I'm gonna do Dose of Colors in the shade Rocking It. I think this was for like their Disney collection, because look how cute that is. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for lips. Alrighty, and we are at the end of this video. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video today. I really hope I really love how the makeup came out. This is giving me like sunrise, orange soda vibe right now, and I really love it. So I hope that you guys like it as well. If you guys did, don't forget what to do here. Like that video, subscribe down below, turn those bell notifications on so that you guys never miss a video in your life, because why would you? I'm posting every Wednesdays and Sundays, by the way. If you didn't know, that's my schedule. Wednesdays and Sundays, new video all the time, except for this video that's going up on Thursday, because if you follow me on Instagram, you know the team. This is why you gotta follow your girl, so you guys stay up with me, you know, so stay up with the updates. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you, and you, and you, y tú, y nadie más que tú. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.